In the unlikely event of oxygen being required on today's flight, masks like these will be provided from the panel above your head in the toilets. Remain seated, reach up and pull the mask downwards. Place the mask over your nose and mouth with the elastic around your head and breathe normally. For passengers travelling with small children, do your own mask first and protect this message to your child. There is a life jacket located beneath your seat. When directed to do so by a member of the crew, remove the life jacket from its container and place it over your head. Fasten these tapes around the waist and tie securely the common off on the left-hand side of the jacket. To inflate the life jacket, pull the red toggle sharply downwards. If it fails to inflate, or leaves it up, blow into this tube. A light and a whistle are provided for attracting attention. Do not, I repeat, do not inflate your life jacket until you're outside the aircraft, as this will impede your exit. For your information, infant life jackets and flotation cots are also carried. Would you please now ensure that any hand luggage not in the overhead lockers is placed underneath the seats in front of you? Your seatbelts and challenge tables are in the upright lock position with the armrest down, and your seatbelt is securely fastened in preparation for our departure. The seatbelt is fastened like this, adjusted and unfastened like this. If you're travelling with an infant on your lap, a special seatbelt will be provided. Ladies and gentlemen, we'd like to thank you for your attention, and we'd also like to wish you a very enjoyable flight on board Virgin Atlantic's 5-star non-stop service to Hong Kong. Thank you and good evening.